Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading images from Pinterest. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you how to do this on both PC and mobile, starting with PC. On the image that you want to download, click on the three dots button at the bottom right. Then select Download Image from the menu that appears. The image will download immediately. If you click on the download at the bottom of the screen, it will take you to the file where the image has been saved. Now I will show you how to save images on the Pinterest mobile app. Tap on the three dots button at the bottom right of the image you want to download. Select the Download Image option. Your image will be downloaded straight away. If you go into your phone's gallery, the image will be saved there. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Pinterest tips and tricks.